guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. And today we're going to be talking about the hair and beauty course. Many people have been asking about the hair and beauty course, and one of the questions I have been getting is how long does a hair and beauty course take? So at Finstock University College, a short course, a basic course will take you 1 month. A short course will take you 1 to 4 months. A certificate will take you 8 months. Then a diploma will take you 12 months to complete. And then another question is, what qualifications do you need to study a hair and beauty course at Finstock University College? If you want to do a short course or a basic course, you require no grade. But if you want to do a diploma, you need to have a C minus. If you want to do a certificate, you need to have a D minus. And then as another question is, how much does a hairdressing cost in Kenya? So if you're doing a basic introduction course, it will cost you 3,000. That is 2,000 is for certification, and then 1,000 is for registration, where you give you the coursework for free, the Zoom lessons for free, the assignments for free, and the exams for free. But if for the certificate and the diplomas and the short courses, the prices will always vary. And then another question is, is beauty a marketable course? You find that beauty and hairdressing and beauty is one of the most marketable course in Kenya, and it is something that many people are pursuing, and it's a very good course. So if another question I'm also getting is hairdressing a good course? Yes, it is. You find that it was one of the happiest jobs in Kenya, and you find that many people are satisfied with that course. And then, is hairdressing and beauty therapy marketable? Yeah, it's one of the most marketable courses in the job market currently, as it covers both the hairdressing and beauty therapist discipline. So it is a very marketable course. And then someone is asking, where do hairdressers work? So you find that barbers, hairstylists, and cosmetologists, they work mostly in barber shop or salons, although some of them will work in spas, hotels, or resorts. And so you find that as they release spaces from a salon owner, and others manage salons or open their own shop after several years of gaining the experience. And then someone is asking, can I do a beauty therapy course with the D minus? Yes, you can at Finstock University College. We have said that a short course you require no grade, a diploma will require a C minus, then a certificate will require a D minus. And someone is asking, what is a hair and a beauty therapist? What do they do? So you find that if you're a beauty therapist, you're a professionally trained face and body care expert, where you'll be able to be certified to deliver a wide range of treatments, or they can choose to specialize in certain areas like massages, facials, or waxing. So you find that that is what you really do. How long does it take to learn a hairdressing course? We have said a short course will take you 1 to 4 months. A basics course will take you 1 month. A diploma will take you 12 months. Then a certificate will take you 8 months. Those are some of the questions that I've been getting regarding the hairdressing and beauty course. So if you're interested in doing a hair and beauty course, enroll at Finstock University College. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com or call 0703-313-722 or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. And make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.